In this video I am creating ServiceNow return and replacement portal, ServiceNow CSM, and here I have created a return product return application using ServiceNow Studio. I have created a table for that, and which is extended from the task table, or added all the field status, request type, and all the things I have added. And after that I have created a record producer for that, where user can submit their return and replacement request using record producers. I have created the variables, customer name, product ID, and all the things, and mapped the through all the things using the product record producer script. So I have also added a extra script which glide the record from the product asset table, so it will validate if the product is available or not, or if the product is genuine or not. It will check in the record if the product available, it will proceed the record, otherwise it will show an error. Here I put the wrong product ID. It will check in the asset table and product table, it will show the error message. After that, if I put like a valid product, like here I can select this product ID and I just paste it, and select the reason, purchase date, and customer name, and reason type, return or replacement. If I select the replacement and submit this form, here you can see it will create a product return application. After that I have created a max distance on return and replacement. Based on the return and replacement, if it returns within 30 days, it will report to the return team, and replacement is warranted, it will go to replacement team. And I have made a workflow for that also. So if the product return is created, and I have attached that decision table here also, and it will make the decision. It will go through the decision table and check if the product is returned and or replacement. It will send the notification to the customer and the team. Here you can see the execution, how the decision table works, and all you can show, and it will automatically send the notification also. After that I have created notifications, where you can see the notification is there, who will receive the notification, assignment group will be notification. Here is the notification preview, and when the return replacement assigned to someone, it will show the notification. And here I have created the dashboard also. For that, it will reflect the dashboard also. Here you can see in the dashboard, all the things are matched to each others. Here also reflect in there, here in table. So that's it.